in the qualifying round. Liverpool's returning Olympians Javier Mascherano, Lucas in the boxing.
Giselle is feeding Cookie Monster. Okay, Giselle feed Cookie Monster some fish and eggs. Giselle feed Cookie Monster. Come on, Cookie Monster is hungry. Oh boy, oh boy, I'm hungry. Okay, touch the soup, it's okay. Giselle feed the soup to Cookie Monster. It's cold, no more? No more hot. Okay, Giselle feed the soup. Feed the soup to Cookie Monster quick. Cookie Monster is hungry. Come on. Come on, feed. Giselle feed, come on. Giselle feed. Cookie Monster is waiting. Come on, hurry up.
And that's what it's all about. First, we didn't give our best performance, but we keep working really hard until the end, and it really has. We need to improve.
Yeah. How come you use a knife?
As long as we play ugly and keep winning.
Now, Arsenal will be playing in the group stage for the 11th straight season, and despite the lack of experience in the squad, Nicholas Bittner believes the side can still go on to lift the trophy.
Yeah, I think so.
No, 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 no.